Biotic components. These include all the living organisms in an ecosystem, such as plants, animals, and microorganisms. The biotic components can be further divided into three categories: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers, autotrophs. Producers are organisms that can manufacture their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide through the process of photosynthesis. In most ecosystems, producers are green plants, algae, and some bacteria. They form the base of the food chain and are the primary source of energy for all other organisms in the ecosystem. For example, in a forest ecosystem, trees, shrubs, and grasses are producers. Role of producers: convert solar energy into chemical energy, food through photosynthesis. Produce oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis, which is essential for the survival of aerobic organisms. Form the foundation of the ecosystem by providing food for consumers. Consumers, heterotrophs. Consumers are organisms that cannot produce their own food and depend on other organisms, producers or other consumers, for nourishment. Consumers can be further categorized based on their dietary habits. Primary consumers, herbivores. These organisms feed directly on producers. They are the second level in the food chain. Example: cows, deer, and rabbits are primary consumers. Secondary consumers, carnivores. These organisms feed on primary consumers. They occupy the third level in the food chain. Example: frogs, snakes, and foxes are secondary consumers. Tertiary consumers, top carnivores. These are apex predators that feed on both primary and secondary consumers. They are at the top of the food chain. Example: lions, tigers, pumas, and jaguars are tertiary consumers. Omnivores. These are organisms that eat both plants, producers, and animals, consumers. Example: humans, bears, and crows are omnivores. Role of consumers: transfer energy from producers to higher levels in the food chain. Control the population of other organisms by predation. Contribute to the cycling of nutrients within the ecosystem. Decomposers, saprotrophs. Decomposers are organisms, primarily bacteria and fungi, that break down dead organic matter into simpler substances. They play a crucial role in recycling nutrients back into the environment, making them available for producers to use. Example: fungi, bacteria, and earthworms are decomposers. Role of decomposers: break down dead and decaying matter, releasing nutrients back into the soil. Maintain the flow of nutrients in the ecosystem, ensuring the continued growth of producers. Help in decomposition, which cleans the environment by removing dead bodies.